Open yourself. Let's see what lives inside what you call faith. They stitched your mouth with threads of fear, said this is God, though you never saw him near. Taught you to bend, never to question belief. Now you defend chains as if they were your strength and relief. They programmed your soul with inherited guilt, made you feel filthy for thinking different built. Gave you a heaven tied to obedience cost, called it love to keep you dependent and lost. They placed God inside a locked display, human rules kept with the private key. Now you search for him where they say, while your conscience whispers there's nothing to see. Doubt was forbidden, too dangerous, too true. A man who thinks can be managed the way they pursue. A soul who awakens shatters the spell they renew. And systems need blindness or they cease to hold you. Open your faith, look it right through. Smells like terror, controls residue. Shatter your faith if it's a cage. God doesn't dwell in manipulation stage. Voices speak for heaven aloud. You never died within, never truly bowed. Preach of cross from ego's proud seat. Call it truth, though it's just their deceit. They taught you to obey without claim, repeat without grasping the name. Made you feel thinking was arrogance is flame. So they stole understanding and left you the same. What if that voice you call God's own sound is only the echo of what they expound? What if your faith was never yours found? I too was complicit in that masquerade. Knees on the floor, mind in mute parade, repeating words that never were made. While inside I was dying unpersuaded, until the emptiness yelled louder still than all the voices chanting amen at will. I learned that living a lie has its kill, that deception itself is a losing bill. Open your faith, and if it aches good, truth isn't a comfort nor understood. Shatter your faith if it never chews. What doesn't transform never came from God's brood. Not all you were taught was real. Not all you felt came from God's seal. And not all you name faith gives life to heal. Sometimes it's killing you slowly and in silence.